So I want to revisit this build. This was my build with the Eachine Lizard 105S FPV recorder system. It's basically like a very dumbed down version of the runcam Split Mini or the Caddx, one of those. And basically I really like this because I love the Caddx though, I love the runcam Split Mini that I have here. But for some reason the latency kills me. I don't like it. It's very annoying. And then the video that you get, the FPV feed, is not that nice. With this guy, I love the FPV feed. I mean, it's not perfect, it's far from perfect, but if you just want some good video just to, upload and show on the internet, it looks really nice. It renders well on smaller screens, and I mean, you can watch it on your bigger screens as well, and it looks pretty okay. 720p, 60 frames per second. It's pretty nice. So I updated this build with the Avon Rush props, and it just made such a big difference. 1104 motors, 5500 kV. Sounds like nothing on a 3S battery, but just look how this thing flies. It really flies amazing. And to me, I mean, the performance is like, my builds are always lightweight. It's based around being as light as possible and always carrying a 3S battery because I just have a lot of those batteries lying around, so I tend to stick with them. And I get about 4 to 5 minutes flight time on this guy if I don't push it. If I cruise, I can get a bit more. So it's been pretty good. I love this build. Everything is nice, and I just thought I'd revisit it. This camera system is very underrated. I don't think much people know about it, but the latency is so amazing. I can fly like I fly with any other dedicated FPV camera while still being able to record something that looks better than the analog signal from the regular cameras. It's a higher quality. And the lens, I like how the lens bends the image. It kind of gives you that GoPro super view feel. Just have a look and see, and I will see if I can leave a link in the description to this system. You have to buy the board and the camera module and the case separately. It's a bit funky to mount the case. I have a video on this build from about 5 months back, and yeah, just revisiting it. Alright guys, check it out. Enjoy.